welcome to Friday's maths lesson. So today we are carrying on with area, but we're moving on today to area of triangles. And you will see that at the top of every sheet you've got today, you've got this formula. You need to follow this formula to work out the area of triangles. So we need to do the height times the width, which is the same as the base, and then divide by 2. Okay, so we'll do a few together, and then I'll go over the challenge as well that's on the hot sheet, just to make sure you know exactly what to do today. So let's have a look then. So on this one then, I've been given my base and I've been given my height. So I just need to multiply those two together. So 4 times 4 is 16. And then I just need to divide that by 2. Okay, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So the area of this triangle then is 8 centimetres squared. This one then, we need to do 10 times 5, which is 50. And then do 50 divided by 2, which is 25, and then remember your centimetres squared. Okay, so the area of that one would be 25 centimetres squared. And then this one then, we'd do 6 times 3, which is 18, and then divide that by 2, which would be 9 centimetres squared. Okay, so that's for the medium and the mild sheets. Just might be slightly trickier numbers to multiply. And then on the hot sheet, you've got a challenge where it's giving you the area and you've got to work out one of the sides. Now, all you've got to do for these questions is just work backwards and do the opposite of what you've already done. So for these ones, we've multiplied and then divided by 2. Okay, and divided by 2 is the same as halving, isn't it? So the first thing I'm going to do with this area is double it. So I'm going to double 12, which is 24, and divide it by the one side I've got. So double 12 is 24, 24 divided by 8 is 3. Okay, but then before I move on, I'm going to just double check it works. So 3 times 8 is 24, and 24 divided by 2 is 12, so it works. Okay, same for this one then. First job, we're going to double my area. So 20 times 2 is 40. I'm going to divide it by 10. 40 divided by 10 is 4. And I'm just going to check it. So 10 times 4 is 40. Divided by 2 is 20. So it works. Just remember, always double check it, because you could have made a little mistake and then that will mess up the whole thing. Okay?